أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله
Now it is Mudari. Ba's Mudari is yabi'u. It is actually baya'a yabi'u. Baya'a yabi'u. Baya'a become ba'a. Yabi'u becomes yabi'u. Ba'a yabi'u. Hamidun yabi'u. Ar-rijalu yabi'una. Hamid sells or will sell. Ar-rijalu yabi'una. The men sell or will sell. Amina tu tabi'u. Amina sells or will sell. An-nisa'u yabi'na. The women sell or will sell. Anta tabi'u. You sell or you will sell. Antum tabi'una. Antum, you all men sell or will sell. Anti tabi'ina. You one woman sell or will sell. Antunna tabi'ina. You all women sell or will sell. Ana abi'u. I sell or I will sell. Nahnu nabi'u. We sell or we will sell. Yasiru. Ammarun yasiru. Ammar walks or will walk. Ar-rijalu yasiruna. The men walk or will walk. Amina tu tasiru. Amina walks or will walk. An-nisa'u yasirna. The women walk or will walk. Anta tasiru. You walk or will walk. That is, you are walking or will walk. Antum tasiruna. You all men walk or will walk. Anti tasirina. You one woman walk or will walk, or you are walking or will walk. Antunna tasirna. You all women walk or will walk. Ana asiru. I walk or I will walk. Nahnu nasiru. We walk or we will walk. Ya'ish. He lives or he will live. He is living or he will live. Yasirun ya'ishu. Yasir lives or will live. Annasu ya'ishuna. The people live or will live. Will live. The people live or will live. Maryamu ta'ishu. Maryam lives or will live. Al-mudarrisatu ya'ishna. The lady teachers are living or will live. Or will live. Anta ta'ishu. You are living or you will live. Antum ta'ishuna. You are all living or will live. Anti ta'ishina. You one woman. Ta'ishina. You one woman. You are living or will live. Antunna ta'ishna. You all women are living or will live. Ana aishu. I am living or I will live. Nahnu naishu. We live or we will live. Yakramayali. Yabi'ul baqalu. The grocer sells. The grocer sells. As-sukkara. Sugar. Wal milha. Salt. Was zayta. Oil. Wal bayda. Eggs. Was zubda. Butter. Wal jubna. Cheese. Wa daqiqa. Flour. Wal adasa. Lentils. Wama ila dhalika. Etc. etc. Yaishul asadu fil ghabati. Yaishul asadu fil ghabati. Yaishul asadu fil ghabati. The lion lives in the forest. Mata yaji'ul mudiru. When will the principal come? Yaji'u fi sa'ati sabiyati. He will come by 7 o'clock. Aturidu an tabiya sayyarataka ya ustaz. Do you want to sell your car, sir? قالت المدرسة للمديرة. The teacher said to the headmistress, هؤلاء الطالبات يغيبن كثيرا. These girl students are absent very much. يسير القطار بالبخار. The train moves by the steam بالبخار. يبيع الفاكهاني الفواكه. The fruit seller الفاكهاني. The fruit seller sells the fruits. يبيع, this is mudari actually. باع يبيع. باع يبيع. Now if you enter lam into this, already the ya has sukun here. So if you enter lam, the end letter will also receive sukun. It will look like this, lam yabi. So two sukuns will not meet. La yaltaki sakinani. So what will happen? So it will become the ya, weak letter will fall. The weak letter will fall. It will become lam yabi'. Lam yabi'. Lam yabi'. Tabi'u, la tabi', don't sell. La tabi', don't sell. Nahi. Al-amru, bi'. Bi' amr. Because it is derived from here, ta is removed. Now the letter with the harkat is there, so no need of hamza wasal. So b like this, two sukuns meet, ya falls, then it becomes bi'. Bi', sell. Aina al-mudiru? Lamma yaji'. Lamma yaji'. This is actually ya, jim, hamza. This ya is a seat of hamza here. So this is not a separate letter. Lamma yaji'. Ya aliyu, la tabi hadhihi sayyarata bi tilka. Don't sell this car. La tabi' bi tilka. Sell that. La taghib kasiran ya Hamid. Don't be absent very much, O Hamid. La taghib. Here also ghaba yaghibu, ya has fallen. Bita sayyarataka ya akhi. Abita sayyarataka. Did you sell your car, oh my brother? La lam abiha. No, I didn't sell it. Lam abiha. Ya has fallen. Mulahaza, note. Tuktabul hamzatu fi yaji, yajiyu, badal yai. See, in the case of mudari, you have to write hamza after ya. See, ya separate letter, jim separate letter, again ya separate letter, again hamza separate letter. Yajiyu, ja, yajiyu. That is, both these letters are read. But wafi lam yaji, in the case of lam, this ya has fallen. So the ya you are writing is a seat of hamza only. Lam yaji, lam yaji, lam yaji. So it is written fawqal ya, that is above ya. Hamidun nama. Hamidun nama. It was actually Navima. Nama yanamu. Al-awladu namu. Hamid slept, the boys slept. Nama namu. Aminatu namat. Amina slept. Al-banatu nimna. The girls slept. Nimna. Anta nimta. You one man slept. Antum nimtum. You all men slept. Anti nimti, you one woman slept. Antunna nimtunna, you all women slept. Ana nimtu, I slept. Nahnu nimna, we slept. Kada. Bilalun kada. Bilal was about to do. Al-awladu qadu, the boys were about to do. Aminatu qadat, Amina was about to do. An-nisa'u kidna, the women were about to do. Anta kitta, you were about to do. Antum kittum, you all were about to do. Anti kitti, you were about to do. Antunna kittunna, you all were about to do. Ana kittu, I was about to do. Nahnu kidna, we were about to do. Khafa, Hamidun khafa, Hamid feared. Al-awladu khafu, the boys feared. Suadu khafat, Suad feared. An-nisa'u khifna, the women feared. Anta khifta, you feared. Antum khiftum, you all men feared. Anti khifti, you one woman feared. Antunna khiftunna, you all women feared. Ana khiftu, I feared. Nahnu khifna, we feared.